Hello and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might help you in one way or the other, and today we're going to be looking at on how to unsend Facebook messages. First of all, you want to go to your messenger and I'll type in something and I don't want to send this. I want to unsend it. So I'm going to press on this three red dots, which is going to be highlighted as more. I'm going to press on that and press on remove. Once I do this, here we have two options. One is remove for you and one is unsend for everyone. We want to select unsend. So if we press on unsend, it's going to get highlighted as you unsent a message. Now, if you want to delete a message for yourself, not for them, I can click on more and I can press on remove. And this message will be removed for you, and other, as in the person that's on the other side of the message box, they can see that you unsent a message, but you can completely remove it. And if you don't want to unsend it and you just want to remove it for yourself, press on the second option and remove. It's as simple as that. Hopefully this video helped you. If it did, drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press on that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.